Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to make YouTube TV full screen. Are you tired of watching YouTube TV with those annoying black bars on the sides? Want to maximize your viewing experience and fill up your entire screen? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through several simple methods to achieve full screen on YouTube TV, no matter what device you're using. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. We release new videos every week, so you don't want to miss out. Okay, let's get started. First, let's cover the most basic and obvious method, using the full screen button. This is the quickest and easiest way to make YouTube TV full screen on most devices. Show screen recording of YouTube TV playing on a computer or phone with the full screen button visible. Simply look for the full screen icon, which usually looks like a square with arrows pointing outwards. It's typically located in the bottom right corner of the video player. Click on it and boom! Full screen. To exit full screen, just click the same button again, or press the escape key on your keyboard. Next, let's talk about using keyboard shortcuts. If you are watching YouTube TV on a computer, there's a handy keyboard shortcut that will save you time. Show a clear visual of a keyboard. Just press the F key on your keyboard. This will instantly toggle between full screen and normal view. Press F again to exit full screen. Easy peasy. Now what if you're using a smart TV or a streaming device like Roku, Chromecast, or Apple TV? The process might be slightly different. Show screen recordings of YouTube TV on different smart TV platforms or streaming devices. On most smart TVs, you can use your remote to navigate to the video player controls. Look for the full screen icon, and select it. If you are using a Roku, you may need to press the asterisk button on your remote while the video is playing. This often brings up options that include full screen. For Chromecast, the process is similar to using the app on your phone or tablet. You'll typically find the full screen icon in the player controls. On Apple TV, swipe down on the Siri remote to access the video controls, then look for the full screen option. Sometimes, the issue isn't YouTube TV itself, but your device's display settings. If you're still seeing black bars even when in full screen mode, your display might be set to a specific aspect ratio that's not filling the entire screen. Show a screen recording of display settings on a computer or TV. Check your device's display settings. On a computer, this is usually in the settings menu under Display. On a smart TV, it's usually in the picture or display settings. Look for an option like aspect ratio, zoom, or screen fit, and experiment with different settings until the video fills the entire screen. Common settings include wide, full, 16:9, and auto. Finally, let's cover app updates. Make sure you are using the latest version of the YouTube TV app. Older versions might have bugs or compatibility issues that prevent full screen from working correctly. Show how to check for app updates on different devices: phone, smart TV, streaming device. Go to your App Store, Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Roku Channel Store, etc., and check for updates to the YouTube TV app. If an update is available, install it and see if that resolves the issue. So there you have it. Several different ways to make YouTube TV full screen on various devices. Hopefully, one of these methods has helped you maximize your viewing experience. If you're still having trouble, leave a comment down below describing your device and the specific issue you're encountering. We'll do our best to help you out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.